So this is actually quite cool. So the sum of all A over B. So S is the sum of all A over B, where A and B are relatively prime, and A and B both divide 1300. And in Lexington Math Tournament is just using like well-known, or not like well-known Olympiad ideas. And then they're just like making it computational, which makes pretty high quality problems. Although it does make them quite like susceptible to being, why did I get that one Discord message? Which makes them quite susceptible to being like easily done. So we're trying to find the sum of A over B, and you can in fact, okay, write 1300 equals 2 squared. You can in fact express all such A over B as 2 squared plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Do I have do not disturb on? I do. See, I have do not disturb on. It's ridiculous. Plus 1/4 times 5 squared plus 5 plus 1 plus a fifth plus 1 over 5 squared times 13 plus 1 plus 1 over 13. And why is this true? Well, what's the power of 2 in A over B going to be? It's going to be, at the highest, there's going to be a 2 squared in the numerator, because that's the highest it can possibly get, because it's a divisor of 1300 still, which only has 2 powers of 2. And at the lowest, it can only get to 1 over 4. Why am I still getting notifications? This is ridiculous. And similarly with 5 squared and 13. And then, so yeah, you now just evaluate this. It's not too very terrible to do. So that one's going to be 31 over 4 times 781. So yeah, oh yeah, that 781 comes from taking this 781 over 25 times 183 over 13. And from that, you get a absolutely massive number, which does not cancel at all. And they didn't notice, the person who wrote this problem did not notice that it does not cancel at all, because they did not solve it correctly, which is unfortunate. But it is still a very cool idea that is pretty common, or like not common, important to know. I think that's a better way to say it. It's important to know that like all A over B can be written like this. Okay, I think that's all the time we have, right?